Hi everyone. The month of September brings in major changes and major impacts on all the zodiac signs, and now we're looking at the next zodiac sign, and that's for you Capricorns. Now, for you Capricorns, from the career and from the business perspective, this is not a month for you to take on any new projects or to do any kind of new investments. It's a complete no. It's important that this month you focus on the current chores, the current responsibilities that are at hand and on your plate. You need to complete all pending tasks, put in a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication this month, because this is even playing a role on your progress. Your seniors, your bosses are recognizing your hard work, and that will take you a long way. Also, hold on to your communication. Avoid any kind of arguments or any kind of dissatisfactions among teams, among colleagues. Just keep a watch out for that. Especially with your female bosses or with your female employees, be careful with your communication and do not spoil any kind of relationships from that perspective. Keep your eyes only on your goal, on your growth, and on your progress for the month of September. From an overall financial perspective, this is a good month. It is important that this month, whatever gains or whatever profits are coming your way, you plan that well, you invest that well, and rather start looking at doing some savings as well. It is important for the month of September. You do have expenses creeping up maybe in the months to come, but it's important that you save now and then do your expenditures. It's important that you work on your income, your expenditures, and start striking a balance. It is very important for you to strike balances as of now. From a health perspective, okay, it says this month is important that you start looking at your health as well. So you do have some issues happening, with you have earaches, you have some shoulder pains, you have some throat related issues which do creep up. This month also it's important that you focus on the stomach region. There could be some stomach food related issues or food related infections that play up this month. So you need to watch your diet and what exactly you are consuming this month. That's of major concern this month. From an overall perspective, from your relationships as well, it's pretty stable. Okay, give the family perspective some time. You may have some additional responsibilities. You may have some budgeting to do from the family perspective. You need to have some kind of responsibilities coming your way as well from the family perspective. So do plan, do your budgeting, look at the support that you need to put forward from the family front, and your family calls for support. So go ahead and focus on that region as well. From an overall remedy perspective, this is a month for you to focus on some calm, some prayer and meditation. Do try and do some offerings in a holy place. Try and feed, the birds and the animals. Do small little, support and helps where you can. And take out some time for prayer, for calm and for meditation as well. Also, just to call out, all these remedies and all that we speak about and the predictions that I do for all the zodiac signs are very generalized predictions. If you're looking for a lot more detailed support and a lot more detailed, predictions as well, because there are major factors that have an impact on your zodiac signs and on your predictions, you can get in touch with me directly and you can reach out for any kind of support that is required. I do appreciate you all being a part of my family. Thank you so much for being a part of Avenues, and all stay blessed. Let's all stay connected.